Boys and girls, I'm so happy to see you back in the library. I have missed you over winter break, but Miss Letourneau and I have been so busy. We have gotten so many new books into the library. We've been busy cataloging them, getting them ready to go out on the shelves, and I want to show you what we have new for you this week. Okay, so we have a lot of books that are the next books in a series. So let me go through and show you what we have. We have the next I Survived graphic novel, I Survived the American Revolution, 1776. We have the second book in the Story Thieves series. A few years ago, the first book was part of Reading Olympics, so now we have book 2 if you want to give that a try. We've got the next book in the New Kids series. It's called Class Act. I know a lot of you will be excited about the new Spy School book that we have in the library, and the new Wild Robot book in this series called The Wild Robot Protects. And I haven't read it yet, but I know that Roz has got to do some work in the ocean in order to help save people in this book. It's going to be really, really good. I'm excited to read it. Oh, this is awesome. The next Investigators book, All Tied Up, is here. We've got the next in the Maria Khan series. So this is a really sweet, I would say, what do you think, Miss Letourneau? Maybe second grade? I would say we've got some second or third graders that would really love this series. If you want to give it a try, I can help you find that here in the library. And get ready, we've got the next 2 Bad Guys books for you to check out. They're going to be really fun to read. So come see me or put them on hold. They'll be ready for you soon in the library. Let's look at a couple of these. So Miss Letourneau and I were saying this kind of reminds us a little bit of the Elephant and Piggy series, a little bit Mo Willems. This book is called See the Ghost, See the Dog, and See the Cat. It's got really cute dialogue between the characters. So these, I don't know, maybe some first graders who want to come in and give the series a try. This book is called Two Bobbies. It's a really, really sweet picture book about animals during Hurricane Katrina and all the rescue work that took place there. So there was a dog named Bobby, a cat named Bobcat. Together we have the two Bobbies, and it's a really, really sweet story. So teachers, you might even want to use this as a read aloud with your class. So we're going to transition to more picture books. We've got this great book. It's called Saturday at the Food Pantry. And this showcases how a lot of times, we bring in canned foods, we donate things to the food pantry. This book is all about a little girl whose family is just kind of going through a tough time and they need a little bit of help, and what her experience is like getting help from the food pantry. It's a really, really sweet story. So I really love this one. I hope you'll try it. This one is kind of the next in a series. This is Lila Greer, Teacher of the Year. If you've read Iggy Peck Architect, or if you Ada Twist Scientist, there's a ton of the Rosie, I got to go back and look at all the titles.
Rosie Revere Engineer.
Thank you, Miss Letourneau. But anyway, these are really, really fun books to read. I hope you'll check this one out. I was just telling Miss Letourneau that my daughter loved this book when she was a little girl. The Little Mouse, the Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear. If you haven't read this picture book, it is a gem. So I hope you'll come and check this out from the library. This is a super sweet book called The Gift of Nothing. It's about 2 friends. One is going to have a birthday, and the other friend does not know what to give him because he feels like he has everything already. So The Gift of Nothing is very, very sweet. I hope you'll enjoy that one. Robo Sauce looks really fun. It's by the same author of Dragons Love Tacos. So we know that is a great story. So I know this one is going to be good as well. And finally, for our picture books, this one is called If You Laugh, I'm Starting This Book Over. Check it out. It's going to be hilarious. All right, let's move on to some of our nonfiction and biographies that we have. This book is a biography. It's called The Poppy Lady. Here we're showcasing a woman called Moina Michael and her tribute to veterans. So if you see her in this field of poppies, she was the person who really started the fundraising effort of selling poppies to celebrate veterans and to raise money for veterans. She lived back during World War I, and it's her story and how she really did a lot of work to help support veterans in our country. Speaking of veterans, we've got this beautiful book called 21 Steps. This is all about in Arlington National Cemetery, the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, which pays tribute to all soldiers who lost their lives, and we don't know their whereabouts, or their bodies were never able to come back to our country. So this tomb here is guarded by a soldier, and the training and purpose that that soldier has while he's guarding this tomb is really, really fascinating and just fantastic to learn about. So the illustrations in this book are really, really beautiful. I hope you guys will check it out. Teachers, if you want to use this when you teach about Veterans Day, it's right here in the library for you. We've got a great nonfiction book about the solar system. We had a request that we needed rugby books in the library, so if you requested that, come and see us. We've got it here for you. This is a really beautiful nonfiction book called Whale Fall. So it's all about when a whale dies in the ocean, what happens to it. It falls to the floor of the ocean, and it supports life in so many different ways. When it's this whale dying helps other creatures live in the ocean. So this is a really beautiful book with beautiful illustrations also. We've got a new biography, Cristiano Ronaldo, for all my soccer lovers. And finally, the last book I know you all have been waiting for. I just want to read. So come into the library and read your books. All right, everybody. Can't wait to see you next time.